Welcome to Fun Fact Town. Got a fidgety brain? Let's talk about the fluffiest helpers out there, furry fidget companions. Did you know petting something soft can actually lower your heart rate? Whether it's a real pet like a dog or cat, or a super soft plush toy, that soothing touch sends signals to your brain that say, hey, chill out. It's called tactile stimulation, and it helps reduce anxiety and improve focus. In fact, studies show that kids with ADHD or anxiety often concentrate better when they have a soft fidget toy to hold. That fuzzy friend isn't just cute, it's a brain booster. So next time you're feeling fidgety or stressed, grab your furry companion, real or stuffed, and give it a squeeze. Your brain will thank you.